Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by exposing the drip so you can control the fix. Remove loose paint with a thin putty knife. Scrape gently to avoid gouging. Once the raised bead is accessible, sand the perimeter with 80-120 grit to feather edges because blending prevents a visible patch. Make sure to wipe dust with a damp rag so the surface is clean. If the drip is small, you'll reshape. If larger, you'll remove and rebuild the layer. Either way, act now to stabilize the area. Now remove the excess paint and create a smooth transition so the repair disappears. Use a sharp tool to lift the bead and trim it down. Once flush, sand from 120 to 220 grit to taper the old paint into the surrounding finish because that gradient eliminates ridges. After sanding, wipe away dust and inspect for bare substrate. If you see it, apply a thin coat of primer to promote adhesion and block stains. Let primer dry fully, because paint over a damp or tacky base will fail. Finish by blending new paint into the field so the repair vanishes. Load a small brush or foam applicator sparingly and lay on thin coats, working from the center outward to maintain a wet edge. This minimizes brush marks and buildup. Allow full dry times, then evaluate texture. If it looks raised or different, sand very lightly and add another thin coat. If the problem persists, don't add heavy paint. Instead, resand and prime, because layering too thickly creates more drips and visible faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.